I've taken two questions from the chapter Quadratic Equation class 10th. So in both questions we have to solve for x. That means we have to get the value of x in each case. Let's begin with the first question. So in the first question what we'll be doing, we'll be first simplifying this by taking LCM on the left hand side. So let's check. If I take LCM over here, this will be what? Let me write down the question once again. It is 1 over x plus 1 plus 2 over x plus 2 is equals to 4 over x plus 4. Now if I take LCM over here, it will be product of these two, that is x plus 1 into x plus 2. So 1 multiplied by x plus 2 is x plus 2, and then 2 multiplied with x plus 1 should give you how much? This would give you 2x plus 2. So further we'll be writing RHS as it is. Now we have some like terms here. Let's x plus 2x is how much? 3x, and 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. Below I am opening this bracket by multiplying x with x should give you x square. X with 2 is what? 2 times x, and 1 with x as x, and finally 1 with 2 as 2. On the other side we have 4 over x plus 4. Now with one more step of simplification for adding these two. Or we may do cross multiplication simultaneously, like we'll be multiplying this with this. So if I multiply these two, what we'll get? This is 3x plus 4 when multiplied with x plus 4. On the other side, it is 4 multiplied by this, which is x square plus 3x plus 2. Now next, 3x into x is what? 3x square. 3x into 4 should give you how much? 12x, right? This is 12x. 4 into x is 4x, and 4 into 4, that is 16. Now on the right hand side, we'll just open the bracket over here by multiplying with 4. So this is how much? 4 multiplied by x is 4x square, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12x, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Now check here. If I write everything on the right hand side, so this is 4x square minus 3x square will results to give you x square. And we have 12x over here, so this 12x and 12x can get cancelled. 4x transposing to the other side should give you minus 4x. So this is minus 4x, and 16 on the other side. 8 minus 16 is what? Minus 8 is equal to 0. Now check, we got this quadratic equation over here, and we are going to solve it by using quadratic formula. As you can see, we cannot factorize by middle term splitting. From the factors of 8 we cannot obtain 4. So we will be using discriminant to find, or we may say it quadratic formula. So let's get d first. What is d? Is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b here? B is minus 4. So minus 4 square minus 4 times a is what? Coefficient of x square, numeric coefficient, which is 1, and c being the constant term, minus 8. So d comes out to be how much? This is minus 4 square is how much? 16. And this results to give you positive 32. So we have d as 48. Now finally we have to get the value of x, which is minus b plus minus under root d over 2a is the quadratic formula. So b is what? B is minus 4. So minus of minus is plus. So minus b will results to give you 4 plus minus under root d, which is 48. That whole divided by 2 times a, and a being 1 over here. So that is 2 only. Now check. We have one more step, I suppose. This is 4 plus minus under root 48 is what? 4, 16 into 3, and 16 under root is 4. So 4 root 3 over 2. Yes, and then we'll continue to take, yeah, I can see that I can take 2 common from here and cancel with this 2. So that will be 2 plus minus I've taken 2 common from here as well, right? So 2 plus root 3, and as I cancel with this 2, that means I've taken 2 common from here and cancel like this. So this is what you are getting after simplifying. This is the value of x here. Now, while writing the final answer, we must write in two step, like not two step, I'll say two possible values. This is 2 plus 2 root 3 or 2 minus 2 minus 2 root 3. So this is the answer for the first part. Now, if I solve the next, that is the OR option here. So I'm going to solve this question over here. This is, if I write down the question, this is 4x squared plus 4, that's 4bx. And I'll open this bracket. So it's minus a square. On opening this bracket, it will become plus b square is equal to 0. Now we can figure out from here that these three terms are forming the identity of sum, right? I mean to say this 3. These three terms are forming an identity of a plus b whole square. So I can write this as 4x square plus 4 times bx and plus b square minus a square is equal to 0. So this I can write as 2x square. This is 2 times first term, which is x, and second time, which is b in this case, plus square of b, and minus a square, which is not the part of this identity, will be outside. So check here, we can write this as what? 2x plus b whole square. 2x plus b whole square, and this is minus a. I can write this as minus a whole square. Now we can use the identity of third identity of, that is a square minus b square is what? A plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this is what I'm applying here. So I can write this as a, which is this, plus b, which is a, that multiplied by a, which is this, and b, which is this, equals 0. Now equating this with 0, what it results to give you? This is 2x plus b plus a when equated with 0. We'll get x as what? This will come on the other side, so it will become minus a plus b over 2. Or when equated this with 0, if I equate this with 0, so if I transpose minus a to the other side, it is a. When I transpose b to the other side, it's minus b. And when I transpose 2 to the other side, it is divided. So these are the two possible values of x in the second part.